Good day, everyone. Now we will be proceeding for another educational tool that is best used for teachers, most especially if they would love to intervene a class session on an online setting, or they can also use this in terms of having a face-to-face class session with the use or with the incorporation of quizzes. What is quizzes first? Quizzes is highly engaging and allows us to give immediate feedback, make adjustments to lesson, and motivate our students. First, let's have a quick background with regards to quizzes for us. I believe that teachers, beforehand of clicking, intervening, incorporating such strategies or methods in their teaching process, they actually have this background knowledge or just minimal knowledge with regards to their chosen strategies. So this is preferably quizzes. So again, quizzes is somehow a great engagement that bridge classroom realities. Okay, once more. And curriculum expectations with the platform that AI or our artificial intelligence rather is supported, but teacher first. Now let's have to sign up for free. Since I don't have an account for quizzes, then we will be creating, no, signing up our account for this one. Next, we're here on the page of having or creating our quizzes account. Actually, the new term or the new called for the formerly quizzes educational tool is now called as Wayground. So let's introduce Wayground. Okay, now for our creating of our account, I will be proceeding with continuing with my Google or Gmail account for a better use and a faster sign in. Okay, we're going there. Let's continue. Before teachers introduce this to class, they prior have this actual training for them to be for them to have this conceptualization process in terms of how they are going to to prospect or to even prolong their discussion process, most especially if they are to have interdimension of their activities with the help or with the use of Wayground, formerly called as quizzes. Okay, now we're going. Yes, we're finally on the run. Now, if since we already have signed in our account using our Gmail account or our Google account, then it will be easier for us to have accessibility and inclusion on the Wayground. For us to join, we should have enter a join code. So since I don't have any idea with regards to if I have um, a join code or whatsoever, let's just wait for buffering on the processes for Wayground. Nonetheless, we're all out here on Wayground, which is formally um, introduced to us as quizzes. Now, since I already have signed in, created our account, and continued it using our Gmail or Google account, for teachers, they intervene to have activity. So, like for example, we should have find quiz yeah, I think we should really have to incorporate join code for this one. For quizzes, teachers could actually have monitored and assessed their classes if their students have already joined, or in terms of activity, if their students have already turned in or submitted their accounts. So this one is the example. So this one is a drop I have before. So okay. So this one, something that I have created. But first, let's find a quiz. Find a quiz about English. So we will have basic English, English vocabulary. Let's receive for the English vocabulary. Let's have practice. So for quizzes, it is very important na as teachers, we should know very well or comprehensively, very detail-oriented with regards or about our subject matter, so that we will be leading to have alignments towards our activities, towards our assessment, application, evaluation process up until we reach to the last or to the very end point of our discussion. So this is just an example quiz which I chose more than about the English vocabulary if we are teaching the English subject. So basically, first we would entail to our students simple English vocabulary. So now, let's start. This kind of quiz for Wayground really helps students as well as teachers to have a prior engagement to this educational tool, so that they would be having I mean a comfortable assessment, comfortable feedback with regards of using this tool. So read text aloud. You can actually do this. So let's start. So we're on the run. We're joining this sample quiz on the English vocabulary. So practice. Still joining. I guess this is more about the shuffle. All the flashcards are now being shuffled. Pre-read. Still joining because of the internet accessibility. We're on the way. We're on the run. Still vaporing. Now we're finally on the run for our sample quiz, specifically about the English vocabulary, the meaning of to forgive. Is it to delete all the information, to buy a new car, to decide not to be angry with someone, or to fall in love? Basically, to forgive is to decide not to be angry with someone. Okay? We already have 980 points. Now, what is crossbar? Is it the first picture, the second picture, the third picture, or the fourth picture? When we talk about crossbar, I guess it is something that literally connotes. I didn't. Okay, next one. The meaning of to abandon. Is it to become crucial, to eat too much, to be able to leave or to give up? I chose to live or to give up. Now already have plus 1000 points. Next, what is a synonym of the word jealous? When we talk about synonym, this means about same of the same or um, similar term as to the word jealous. Is it open-minded, envious, strong, shy? Definitely jealous would be envious. I would just have to finish this so that we will be interacting more, no, with regards to playing a game here on Wayground. Just a simple interaction. Next, what it is. What is this picture trying to refer to, trying to connote? Is it a trumpets, forks, wires, or laces? Definitely this one is laces. Actually, for students, hindi naman talaga kayo mahihirapan, or as long as for teachers, hindi kayo mahihirapan to have great engagement if you chose this educational tool, which is quizzes, or formerly known as quizzes but now as WeGround, because this type or this form of educational tool really gives you some helpful advancement, some helpful notes. No, now let's continue. The meaning of catastrophic. It's very easy, difficult to wait for something, or extremely harmful. I guess catastrophic is extremely harmful. Yes. Now for number 7, shows where is the traffic light. Is the first picture, the second picture, the third picture, or the fourth picture? When we talk about traffic light, that really connotes to the transportation process that goes with the light process, if it's go, stop, or just go beyond. Okay, another plus 1,100 points. Now, the meaning of misunderstanding. Is it someone does not understand something correctly? Or is it to move to another city to commit a crime? Or lastly, a person understands everything. But if we talk about misunderstanding, something that has gone to be misunderstood, and this goes with someone does not understand something correctly. We're on our second to the last way. Find an antonym to the word angry. If kung kanina it goes with synonym, but for now it's antonym. Antonym denotes to the contradicting term for the word angry. Let's proceed. If it is pleased, patient, gorgeous, or confident. I guess for the word angry, this must be of about pleased. I was wrong. Now for the last engagement for the sample quiz, the meaning of to intensify. Is it to gain possession of, to become very passive, to increase in power or strength, or to become very angry? To intensify, to increase in power or strength. Now, redemption question. Reattempt the question you got wrong or chose wisely. Okay, which one to choose? Find the antonym for the word angry. That's pleased. So, ito yung maganda sa WeGround because we're able to go back, no? We're able to recall or have a full understanding towards our mistakes based from our sample quiz. But definitely, if your teacher have created your own quiz with regards to your subject matter or with regards to what you have been discussed, so definitely it goes to have a particular time advancement. It has a way of scaling to the score points which the students would be having. So now let's skip. So this one is our score. So if we would love to play again, then we could. The summary for the quiz. So quizzes is a very, very engagement educational tool for students, most especially of course for teachers, because they would be exhibiting enough um, different methods and strategies to how they are going to incorporate their own mastery for the content, for their subject matter to be discussed. And again, this is more and about for formerly called quizzes, now WeGround educational tool. Thank you so much. Furthermore, if if a teacher would love to create a quiz, you should click this one and wait for the buffering session of the site, and it would give you this one. What would you like to create? Is it for an assessment process or a lesson? So if it's for assessment, you could choose multiple choices, identification process if it's more on essays. So there's a lot more options or choosing in for WeGround. Okay, we should have entered our topic name for this so that even our students have an alignment point towards our subject matter. We could choose multiple choice, passage, fill in the blank, matching type, drag and drop, hotspot. So there are different categorization or classification towards what you would love to create an assessment. Next, if you're trying to have to create a lesson in this educational tool, this would give you one. You would have to import your content or the particular file, document, or if it's PDF, PowerPoint presentation. So all you have to do is to import them here in your Wayground dashboard. And eventually, if you already have imported the content for your lesson process, for the discussion process for your students, then definitely they would also have the access to it, as they are already have joined and um, interpolated here inside the dashboard for Wayground. Okay, so again, for teachers, all you have to do is just explore, identify, conceptualize everything, most especially if we're trying to use an educational tool, which would really help you a lot in maximizing and contemplating all over what you have been initiating towards your lesson properly. So that's it.